Hi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a graph using Pages. So first you click on Charts, then you choose which graph you would like to use. You then go to the Chart Data Editor, and this is where all your numbers and your information is. To edit the numbers, you double click and you add in the number that you want. You press Enter to finalize your edit. The regions over on the left are what each colour in your graph represents. To edit those, you double click again, and then you write in what your colours represent. To add a title to your graph, you go to the inspector and you choose the box Show Title. Once you've done that, the title should come up just above your graph. To edit the title, you double click and write in what your title of your graph is. Next, you get to jazz up your graph. To jazz up your graph, you have to click on Chart Colors. Chart Colors is a range of different colors for your chart to be. Once you've found one that you like, you click and drag to the bar that you want it to go on. Once you're happy with how your graph looks, you're done. And that's how easy it is to create a graph using Pages.